We at Siemens, we work with the concept of the digital twin, which is a digital replica of the product, process, performance, and as well as a supply chain. Now, this technology allows for real-time monitoring and simulation, so we can make rapid adjustments. Of course, also keeping an eye on quality, sustainability, and efficiency. Now, how is this helping transform factories into adaptable systems?
Well, it's by using that digital twin, by harnessing the digital twin technology, that you can really embrace an agile environment and move in the direction of flexible and predictive manufacturing. How do you do so? Well, you do so by leveraging upon data analytics that allow you to gain insights in data and take action based upon that insights. Think, for instance, about demand that might all of a sudden rise. Well, you need to react upon that and you need to prepare upon that.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about this topic, check out the links in the description. If you enjoyed what you saw, like the video and subscribe to the channel.